Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a little box to open for you guys today, and it's from a company called London Drugs, which is based in Canada. It's like an online pharmacy, but they also sell makeup and some grocery items, high-end makeup, as well as the drugstore type. You can find fragrances as well, and it's also a store, and you can order online. And you would have seen I think one haul from them a while back, and it's on my channel. And I just decided to pick up a couple things there because it's cheaper to buy it from them than in the store in the town closer to where I live. So I actually wanted to use one of those items, so I figured I would open up this box today. There's only about maybe 2 or 3 items in this box, so it's a small haul, and I will just get into that because I'm expecting a phone call from my internet company. I've been having a lot of trouble using the internet on my iPad and my phone. I did phone them yesterday, and they're saying that the internet seems to work fine, but then I phoned Apple and they're saying that it's got to be an internet issue because, I mean, if it was a problem with just my iPad, then it would affect the iPad, not the phone as well. So it's got to be the internet that's causing some problems. So I was able to leave my phone number for them to phone me back, but they haven't done that as yet. Maybe I'm becoming a nuisance to them, but we have to get this sorted out because, I mean, I can't not have my iPad working for me because I do a lot of research on it and I need it to work faster. So I'm waiting for them to phone me back. So anyways, we will get into this unboxing. Okay, so I've cut open there, and they just put the paper with their name on there, which is nice. Paper. It's pretty hot out there, and I was pulling weeds today, so my hands are dirty. I mean, I washed them, but my nails got pretty dirty. I had to cut them. And so I just decided I wouldn't appear on camera today because I'm just in my lounging clothes that don't look presentable for the camera, so I'm just gonna sit behind the camera. So the first thing I've got, did they give me a packing slip? Yes, they did. So the first one I'm gonna show you is the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Booster, and it's a daily cleanser with white tea and vitamin E. Boost softness, evenness, and radiance. Now I love Neutrogena products. I've been using them for many years, and I used to use the cream cleanser that came in a tube, and then it just started to get so expensive that I stopped buying it, and I was looking for the cheaper brands. So right now I'm just using a little tube of the St. Ives scrub. You probably would have seen that in a different haul video. So I saw this online and I decided to buy this. They didn't seem to put the price on my slip here. They just put the description of it, so I don't remember what I paid for it, but I knew it was a deal, so that is why I bought it. And I knew I was getting low on my cleanser, so I saw this. I don't really care for pumps too much because when you get to the bottom, it kind of like doesn't pump right, and sometimes what happens is the pump part doesn't work, because I found that with lotions and stuff. But hopefully this does work because, like I said, I like the brand and I've never seen this type before. I've used another one where the liquid was kind of like a kind of orangish looking. I think it was like a sort of like a scrub or something, but this is a different type. So I'm gonna try this and hopefully I do like this one. So that's the cleanser, and then I needed some new skincare. I know I just showed you guys that um, set I got from Sephora, but I'm gonna keep that for traveling. I am using a couple of them at the moment and I like them, but I wanted to have more product that can last me a long time. So this is the L'Oreal Ideal Moist Radiant, and it's a day and night cream, which I like because then I don't have to go looking for one for day, one for night. It's all in one, and it's 50 ml, so I like that. I really like that. I was using a L'Oreal Skin Renew that with a glow in it, and I really like that, but they seem to stop making that one. They have a different type, but I wanted that one that I was using. So, but I like L'Oreal stuff. They make nice things. So this is what it comes in, a little jar. And let me see. It's not even sealed, which is not, I don't like to buy anything that's not sealed. It smells really nice though, but I don't like, I'm skeptical when I see stuff come and they're not sealed. So that is what this looks like. And then this product right here is called Just a Drop, the Personal Odor Eliminator. One drop before you go. So you put it in the toilet just before you go when you do number 2. You know, sometimes you have to use a public washroom and there's other people waiting to use it, and sometimes you just have to go so bad that, you know, you don't want to have any lingering scents after you come out because people are waiting to go in after you. Also at home, if you've got guests and you're using the same bathroom, it's good for that as well. So you just put a drop in there and before you use the toilet, and it's supposed to help. It lasts 60 days, and it's just one thing in there. So but I wanted to have this, and you can keep it in your purse so that when you go anywhere, if you've got to use the bathroom or whatever, at least it'll smell nice and fresh after you come out. So yeah, so that's the 3 things I got. Just a small unboxing, but I really wanted to start using my face wash and not the skincare so much because I am using something else, but I might put those away for my vacation instead. Okay guys, well that was my little unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. It's super hot here. Yesterday was the first day of summer and it is so hot at night here. You have the fan going, but it's blowing hot air all the time on you, so I'm not sleeping very well, and all these things are just bothering me, like my internet is slow and all these things, so I'm just getting upset about these things. So yeah, but I have work coming up pretty soon, so I won't be able to do too many videos, and I've got outdoor work to do because I still have about 8 more trees with weeds that I have to pull, and I'm gonna have to start watering them as well. So I will see you guys another time, and I'm not shutting down my channel or anything, but I might not be able to do videos as much because now it's summer and I'm pretty busy. I'm gonna clean windows at home, and that's a big job. And also I'm getting a lot of work at this time of the year, so I try to grab it because it will come in useful for my vacation this year, also for Christmas, because our vacation is just not too far from Christmas, so, or not too far, or it's just before Christmas, so all that will help. So guys, I will see you soon, and thank you so much for watching. Take care guys. Bye.